I have just come across this app that anyone from anywhere in the world can use in order to get paid in PayPal money. It requires no investment, it's extremely easy to do, and it will pay you through PayPal, Bitcoin, Payeer, AirTM, and through Amazon gift cards. If you want to make this really work, make sure you follow each and every step in this tutorial because I will explain everything and give you free tips and tricks to make even more money and maximize your results. If you don't do that, then I'm sorry, but this will simply not work out for you. So stay patient and keep watching. You won't regret it. And with all of that said, let's get right into the video. Today, I have a few platforms to go over with you guys, and combining all of them, you'll be able to make some really good money online. And most importantly, in passive income too. The first platform we will need to go over before we get to the app that you have all seen in that intro. You need to come to google.com, and what you want to do on Google is search for articles and blog posts that a large number of people are interested in. And with that said, let's make this clear. You don't need a website for this, so no social media following, nothing like that. You just want to find some interesting articles that a lot of people like. In my case here, just as an example, I typed in 10 unusual facts about water. You guys can search for whatever you want to. It could be related to a popular movie, for example, some movie actor or whatever. If it's popular and a lot of people are reading articles related to what you've searched for, you're good. The next step you need to undertake from here is simply find a good article and copy its link. Just open up an article, read it a tiny bit, and if you think it's good and a lot of people will like it, then copy its link. And now that you've done that, it's time to move on to the next platform we will be using today. And this platform is the app that you have indeed seen in that intro a while back. It's called exe.io. And what this platform is, you can see right away when you come on here. It's a link shortening service. You take a link, paste it into this software, and it will shorten it for you, making the link itself also look a lot better and more appealing. The thing is, however, that this website will actually get you paid whenever someone clicks on your link. That is not the case with sites like bit.ly.com, for example. The reason they will want to pay you is because when someone clicks on your link and say that link takes them to some YouTube video, they will not be redirected to the video right away, but rather to an external site where they'll see a bunch of ads, and they'll be able to skip those ads and only then proceed to the destination site. In this fashion, the website is making money through ad revenue, much like YouTube actually, and the ad revenue is split between the site and the person who shortened the link in the first place, as simple as that. How much money you'll get paid per said number of clicks, you can see on this page here. If the clicks come from the US, it's $8 per 1,000 clicks. If the clicks come from Canada, it's $7.50. For the UK, it's $7. For Australia, $6, and so on. For the majority of countries, though, it's $3. And yes, I know that you will be thinking to yourselves, that's not a lot, though. And you would be correct, it's not an insane amount of money. But the thing is, I have a place where you can get a lot of clicks. Far more than just 1,000 on your shortened links that will allow you to earn a lot of money in passive income, so make sure you keep watching. And just a side note, even though making money through this website should be by shortening links and then getting people to click on them, it's very much worth noting that they offer a pretty decent referral program, giving you 15% commissions, which, although it's not the highest, it's certainly better than what most websites offer. Now, for those of you who have some suspicions about this website and whether or not it will actually pay you, then you might want to take a look at the payment proofs, which you can check out by clicking on Payment Proof right up here. On the next page, you'll be able to see that people are getting paid varying amounts of money on a daily basis through this website, the majority of them through PayPal. But as I mentioned in this intro, this platform offers far more payment options, which is a really nice addition to say the least. With all of that said, Now that you know what this site is, how it works, and all that, let's get to the point. The other features this site offers are less relevant for us, and you can check them out on your own. Anyhow, you'll want to sign up to the platform once you come on here. To do so, click on the Sign Up button in the upper right corner here. On the following page, enter in your username, email, password, and retype that same password. Then tick this box and click on Register below to finish the process. When you log into your brand new account, this is how everything will now look. You will be able to see your earnings in the top right corner once you log in. All of the links you shortened you can see by clicking on Links here. And to withdraw your money once you have made some, all you have to do is click on Withdrawals, and then on Withdraw right here in order to withdraw your money. And by the way, before you'll be able to do that, you will need to set up your payment information in the settings. So make sure you don't forget to do that. With that said, now that you have an account on this website, you'll now be able to shorten links with this app. And whenever someone clicks on them, as I said before, you get paid. As simple as that. What you'll now want to do, as all of you probably know, is you want to shorten the link to that article that you opened up way back in the beginning. To do that, you need to click on Create Link right here. You'll want to then paste in the long URL into this box and just click on the green Create button below. And this will now shorten that link for you. And now that you've done that, the only thing that's actually missing is people who click on this link and make you money. And as I said before, I have an awesome traffic source to show you. That traffic source is a website called Herculist.com. This website will allow you to advertise your link to thousands of people on a daily basis, and for absolutely free. How awesome is that? The way this does that is as follows. You will first create an email that you will need to send to people through the use of this software. In that email, you will leave your shortened URL and write a few things regarding the article whose link you shortened a while back. And you will then send that email to literally thousands upon thousands of people because Herculist provides an email list for you, sending it to thousands of people basically, many of whom will click on your link, by the way, and then enjoy your profits. It's literally as easy as that. Furthermore, the best feature of this site is that it doesn't matter what you are advertising. In our case, it's a shortened link to an interesting article, but you can put any link out there in your email and you'll still be able to get clicks on it. And that is by far the best feature of this site. With all of that said, I won't go too much into depth with the software and all of its features, since you can do that on your own, guys, and since I don't want to prolong this video. For those of you interested in more videos on making money online, then check out the two that will pop up on the screen in a moment now. And with that said, if you liked this video of mine and you're enjoying my content, then be so kind and leave a thumbs up below. Every single one helps. And if you haven't already, then you really want to subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to turn on the notifications, because more videos are already on the way. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in some of the upcoming videos.